Alright, so now that you know how to actually just go through and filter ads, let's run post filter again. And what we're going to do this time is we're going to do something relatively the same. We're going to filter ads, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to filter ads and we're going to look for specific keywords inside those ads. So for example, we're going to look for funnel, funnels, sell, money. Those are the keywords that we're going to look for. Now what post filter is going to do is it's going to look through all the ads and it's going to find ads that only contain the keywords that we've put in here. Now the thing I want to let you know about the keywords here is you have two options on the keywords. You have show and don't show. So you can consider this positive keywords and you can consider this negative keywords. If you put in the keywords, so if you put in no keywords like the last video, then it's just going to show you all the ads. If you put in keywords like I did, and then you click the show button, it's only going to show you ads where we find those keywords, okay? Now if you use the don't show, and I'll show you that example in just a minute, if you use the don't show, then what post filter is going to do is it is going to not show you ads that contain those keywords and show you all the ads that don't contain those keywords. So we're just going to actually run post filter here, and we're going to let post filter go in and actually do its job and start filtering. Now I want you just to keep in mind, again my net's going to be a little bit slow because I'm live streaming to Facebook while I'm creating this training, but also I want you to understand that whenever you're using the keyword functionality, it might be even slower and it might not come up with any ads. And this is because it's not finding ads with those actual keywords. So just have a little patience. Because if you're using the keywords, you're not going to see as many ads as you normally would, because it's going to filter out. In this instance, since we're using the show option, it's going to filter out any ads that don't contain your keywords. So we do have some ads here, and if you look at this ad right here, this ad contains one of our keywords. It contains the money keyword. Okay? And so far this is the only ad that we found. So we haven't found any other ads, and again, the reason that it hasn't found any other ads for you is not because Facebook isn't showing you any other ads, it's because there are no other ads that contain those keywords that you wanted to actually filter for. So this is the only ad so far that has actually contained one of our keywords, and that keyword was money. So if you want, you can just continue to wait here and let post filter go in and try to find you more ads on your timeline that are going to actually contain those keywords. But we're going to go ahead and stop for this video, and what we're going to do now after we stop everything is we're going to go in and we're going to just switch options to the don't show. Okay, so instead of looking for ads that only contain these keywords, we're going to look for ads that do not contain these keywords. So we're just going to say don't show. And then we're going to run post filter. We're going to let post filter run. And again, like I said, we're going to wait a little bit and let post filter do its job and let it go in and actually start filtering everything out and looking for ads for us. Now we've already got an ad that's actually popped up. And we've already got a couple ads that popped up. And if you look through these ads and the content of these ads, you will notice that you will not find one single ad on your news feed that contains the keywords that you put inside post filter, because we use the don't show option. So the main things I want you guys to actually remember is sometimes this is going to take a little bit of time, especially if you're live streaming or watching somebody's live or doing other heavy internet activity. Alright, if for some reason it doesn't start filtering, you can always just refresh the page. Sometimes you need to refresh the page. And the main thing I want you to actually understand is the difference between show and don't show on the keywords. Okay? So if you don't use any keywords at all, it's just going to show you all ads. If you do decide to use keywords and you use the show option, it's only going to show you ads that actually contain the keywords that you put into the actual box. Okay? If you use the don't show option, then it is going to show you all ads that do not contain those keywords. So any ads that we find that actually contain one of those keywords that you put in when you're using the don't show option, you won't see any ads that contain those keywords. Those ads will actually be hidden, and those ads will be filtered. Those ads will be filtered out. Okay? So now you can see we have a whole list of ads here, and none of these ads are actually going to contain any of the keywords that we decided that we didn't actually want to look for. But now we have a whole list of ads here where if we want to get some inspiration, we can get some inspiration. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually filter even more stuff using post filter.